Hello again, friends of great picture quality. Darko here today showing you settings after calibration on Samsung 40KU6072, that's Samsung Series 6000 TV from 2016 lineup. And in this video I will show you settings for watching movies like from Blu-ray, streaming or simply internet HD sources. Let me start by opening settings menu and jumping to picture mode. So picture mode offers 4 different presets. There's dynamic, standard, natural and movie. I used movie preset to calibrate this TV. By default, TV comes in standard picture mode, which offers very unprecise picture with unrealistic colors, also uneven gamma, which affects how details are shown on screen. Very simply, I recommend you avoid it. Luckily, there's also movie mode, which by default is very accurate in terms of grayscale, gamma and also color gamut accuracy. But still, using available options, you can further adjust it. Special viewing mode is next option, which I recommend only if you are a gamer and you want lowest input lag to enable this game mode. But for watching movies, you should keep it turned off. Picture size 16:9 standard with fit to screen auto will give you 1:1 pixel mapping and as such best resolution and sharpness of the image. Let me now go deep inside expert settings, where you see backlight set at 15. Backlight affects LED intensity behind the screen, so the higher the value, the brighter the image will be. My target was 200 nits, which is for me great compromise between daytime and nighttime viewing. I recommend sticking with that target. Brightness at default 45. And contrast I had to reduce from default 95 to 85 in order to get better grayscale and also to avoid pinkish whites in highlights. I measured ANSI contrast above 4000 to 1, which is great result, and it's also good for watching movies in darkroom environment. Sharpness at 0. You can play with this setting same as with backlight. If you want sharper image, at least artificially sharper, then you can increase this value. Still, for watching quality content, I recommend keeping it at 0. Color 50, tint at default value. Digital clean view disabled for quality sources. If you have noisy content, you can engage this option, it's very effective. Auto Motion Plus, this is a 60Hz UHD TV, which can only improve motion resolution if you turn LED clear motion on. This will introduce flicker more or less depending on signal type, but on the other hand you will get sharper objects in motion. There's also judder reduction if you want soap opera effect, if you want movies to be smoother than they are at original 24 frames per second, then you can increase this value. Still, I like watching movies with this configuration. Now let's go to HDMI black level at auto, dynamic contrast off, color tone warm 2 to get as close to the 65 point as possible, and white balance. As usual, there is 2-point and 10-point adjustment. You see, by default white balance was very accurate, so only small modifications in this area. Red offset 2, green offset 0, blue offset 0, red gain 8, green gain 0 and blue gain 0. Then I went into 10-point white balance control, where you see at 100 no modification, at 90% red is at -2, 80% no modification, 70% also no modification, 60% red +3, green +4, blue +6, let's see, 50%, red and green at +7 and blue at +10, 40%, red +7, green +8, blue +4. 30%, red and green at 0 and blue at -3. 20%, red +7, green +11, blue +2. And 10%, red and green +10 and blue -10. Gamma at default 0, this gave very flat 2.2 value. RGB only mode to be disabled. Color space custom, here you will see small tweaks to different colors. Red has red at 46, green at 0 and blue at +3. Let's see green. Red 12, green 50, blue +5. Let's see blue. Red 0, green +6, blue +49. And now secondary colors. Yellow has red 52, green 47, blue 3. Cyan, red 0, green 53, blue 51. And finally magenta, red 44, green 2, blue 48. And basically this is it. So by default, very accurate in movie preset. After calibration, reference quality in terms of grayscale, gamma and color gamut. All this is valid together with high contrast only if you sit directly in front of the screen. Sitting under angle or if you come very close to the screen will defeat these benefits, and especially colors will become dull and not as saturated as when sitting directly in front of the screen. Settings which I showed in this video you can also get as PDF document. There's a link in the description, and I would be very grateful if you would support me by buying this document. I still have a lot of equipment to buy, especially for UHD calibration and also measuring input lag in HDR mode, which I see people are asking more and more often. So in any case, thank you very much for watching. For any questions about calibration, please contact me, you can leave a comment, and I will try to give you my feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching once again, and see you in some other video. Bye!